everyone, it's me, Puppy, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the November Allure Beauty Box. It has been a while since I have recorded, edited everything, so we're getting back to it. Hopefully I get this picked up a lot again, same with the games and streaming over on my Twitch. And yeah, so let's just get right into it, because I am excited to see what's in here. So I'm going to set this over here, not in front of my ring light. And let's see, that's not the code. This is the code. And of course, just your standard. She's in a sweater. It's getting cold. It has been freezing here. How cold is it where you guys live? Because it's been getting like 50 degrees at 5 o'clock at night. And it's also been getting like super dark at, what time is it? 5:30, and I couldn't go walk into the store if I wanted to. So it's definitely winter time. So some electric blankets, snuggle up with your pups, do whatever you need to do, and let's see what Allure has us in store for us today. First item, and this is the Tarte, very good brand, waterproof shadow and liner. I don't think I've had a shadow and liner duo before. I may have. And this is in the color Rose Gold Luster X Black. Does that mean it's a black liner and a rose gold? We'll see. Okay. This is going to be the shadow side. And it is your standard rose gold. So we're going to... Ooh. That is creamy. And that is a pretty color. That is a beautiful rose gold color. Let me see if I can get it in my ring light. I can't. But it is gorgeous. That is creamy. Beautiful. It sets pretty fast, although it does kind of smudge. But let me just redo that and check out the liner side. Now, this doesn't really super look black to me. Oh, excuse you. But we'll see. Oh yeah, it's black. So that is the rose gold and black liner combo. I do like this. This is pretty. I think I would actually use this. Very lovely. I just gotta figure out how to put it down. There we go. Very nice. Would I pick this up in the store? Probably not. But for this, in a sample box, this is a full size. So I'm happy. Next item, and it is going to be a squeezy tube, and this is Neogen Dermalogy. Oh crap, it's white on pink background, not good. Probiotic Youth Repair Cream. Alright, so I'm guessing it is the moisturizer. My ring light would stop being all derpy. And let's see. Ooh, that came out way fast. It smells like, she kind of smells like butterscotch pudding. Oh, no, okay, no, now it smells like ink. The ink inside of those colored markers, you know, the ones that were supposed to smell like things, but they never really smelled like things? It's trying to smell like pink, like cake. But it doesn't really super smell like cake. But it's trying. It's doing its best. So good try. But it is very nice and moisturizing. It's not too thick, not too thin. It does come out fast though, so be aware of that. Next item. I'll pick this up. What is this? This is the Organic Flowers Toner. Rich by Organic. Oh no, by Ramisa. Not much you can see on here, but we will open it up. Okay, this is kind of a waste of plastic, but it is like second skin onto this plastic. So I don't know if we're even going to really open this up. Let me see. Do I have a utensil for this? Oh, Sailor Moon pencil. Let's see. I want to break it. Okay. Okay, we kind of got into it a little bit. I hate plastic waste. It's just so unnecessary, guys. Alright, we're in. We have cracked the plastic code. So, let's see. Oh, wow. Okay, first off, it's completely open. There's no little thing that stops it from just all pouring out. Ooh, oh. It smells like oil. I'm not even gonna... It's trying to have flowers in it. I'm trying to have rose, but it kind of smells like a spicy rose. Like, you put some crushed red pepper flakes in it. That's kind of what it smells like if you did that and then crushed roses with it. Yeah, that's not a pleasant scent. I will use it because toner is, you never really get a big bottle of it, but that scent is really off-putting. Next item, go with a jar. And this is the Simple Cleanser, simply by Helena. More plastic. That I don't have nails to open. So we'll get my trusty pencil out again. I'm gonna stab myself one of these days, I know I am. Wait, can I just... Aha! Smells like nothing, just a white cleanser. I assume when you put it up... Ooh. It's thick. That is a thick cleanser. That is not moving. Now I want to see what this feels like. I'll take some from the cap. So, oh, it's actually not as thick as you'd think. It is actually very thin. And it smells horrible. It smells like clay. Which I guess everyone does use now, so it smells like clay. That's all I can give you. And I got it back on quite easily. So, cleanser. Good. Next up, we have four more items. This is a big box. They put a lot of stuff in this box this time. But we have a Self-Care Night Recovery Oil by Kiliani. I hope I pronounced that right. Antioxidant rich face oil. Now, I have not used a face oil before. I'm assuming before you go to bed, instead of your moisturizer, you put this on. Oh, it's the tiniest little ampule. Look at that. It's so tiny. I have a Facebook group called Too Small Put Back. This is Too Small Put Back, and I'm probably going to post this. But I love this. It's like two uses. I love the purple and the gold, though. You cannot see it much because it's just dwarfed by my hands. But let's get out a little stopper on my finger. And it smells like crayons and weirdness. Everything smells like crayons today. I'm sorry. I just for some reason. But it is an oil. It is oily. If you can see it shining on my finger, and it smells like wood chips. If I gotta be honest, it smells like sawdust. You know, some people like the smell of sawdust, so it works. Okay, 3 more items. We're gonna do the big boy here because I saw it when I turned around. This is by Ico, which I do like this brand. I've had quite a few items from them. I think I'm still using like a brightener under my eyes from them. But this is a eyelash curler, which I don't own one, so I'm very happy to get this one because it's been quite a while and I've had one on my Amazon wish list for like 8 months. I just never brought myself to buy one. And it is this beautiful, well actually I can't tell if it's purple or not because it's my lighting and it's covered in plastic. And I really need to bring scissors with me next time I do one of these. Come on. Come on. There it is. Alright, there's the extra little nibby down in there. Oh yeah. Let me see. It is purple. It is a lovely, like, matte purple color, royal purple. Ooh, kind of almost a blue purple, if you can tell. Standard eyelash curler. Very cushiony cushion. The secret is in the cushion, it said on the box, so maybe it's special, I'm not sure. But it is an eyelash curler. If I can get my fingers out of it. Yeah, very happy. I will be using this. Super excited. Okay, next item. And this is the upgraded lashes by Wonder Beauty. We've had a Wonder Beauty on the channel before. I think it was also eyelash stuff. But I always get so concerned when eyelashes, like mascara, is in like these squeezy tubes. It's so weird to me, but usually they're so nice. Is this brown? No, it's gotta be black. But it is a good sized brush. I like these little brushes more than big fat brushes because you can get your lashes better. Plus the bottom lashes. Way easier on bottom lashes. See, I didn't have a small brush, so I didn't do my bottom lashes. But very much easier to do bottom lash. Jet black. It is jet black. Very nice. Always can use more mascara since I use it every time I do my makeup. And sometimes when I don't do my makeup and I'm walking to the store, I just want to throw in some mascara. You know? Anyways, last item, if I can get it out. It's a little tricky. I do not know. This does not look great. It looks like an unmentionable. But Neutrogena Stubborn Blackheads Daily Serum. Salicylic acid acne treatment. Visibly clears clogged pores and helps eliminate blackheads. Fragrance free. That's good. We've got a little tiny sample. It's a little squishy. I thought it was going to be like a usual mask or something. But no, it's a tiny thing that I will never use. So it's going to go to my friend CJ. And hopefully she can use it or know someone. Yeah, it's just a blackhead clearing mask. I can't really show you guys what it looks like or anything because then it's dead. So that was Allure's box. Definitely love the eyelash curler, cleanser, moisturizer, a lovely mascara, a toner that smells horrible, too small for how adorable it is. Yep. Never mind. Apparently it doesn't like being called small. Serum, or face oil, and a makeup duo. Actually, that might have been Oopsie. I think that was Oopsie. No, it wasn't. Okay, never mind. Eyeliner and eyeshadow duo. I really need to stop doing these all at the same time because I get so confused. But anyway, that was the November Allure box. And if you like this video, I'll be doing them every month. 2 makeup skincare unboxings, 1 cute Japan items from Japan box. Of course, I always do some game videos, posting little clips and edits from my Twitch. And as always, this is Pop.